Oh, no.
Oh, yes. The visionary, the revolutionary, Seth freaking Rollins has arrived.
Well, certainly Seth Rollins has unmatched accolades, a championship resume, but a wardrobe that leaves a lot to be desired.
Saxton, last time you saw that much drip, you called a plumber.
The following contest is a ladder match. Making his way to the ring from Davenport, Iowa, weighing in at 217 pounds, Seth Rollins!
So he's been called the Kingslayer, right? The Architect, the Messiah. How about we give him a new nickname, Mr. Delusional?
Oh, bite your tongue, Cole. There is nothing delusional about this man. Seth Rollins has earned everything. It just happens that everyone else is jealous.
Multiple Universal and WWE title reigns. He's won the Royal Rumble and Money in the Bank.
You know, there was a time when Seth Rollins used to feed off the energy of the WWE Universe. Now he's just happy celebrating all of his accomplishments alone.
And his opponent from Smithfield, North Carolina, weighing in at 163 pounds, Hurricane!
The WWE Universe already reaching a fever pitch upon their arrival, and we are just seconds away from a highly anticipated match. The look of focus and determination on his face. He wants to show the world that he can compete on this high level.
You know, a ladder match is a real proving ground. It can literally take a superstar to new heights.
Too many classics to name and too many broken bodies to count. A lot of people made their names off this match.
Time. And they fail to hit the mark. Vicious blow to the back of the neck.
Ooh, treading all over their opponent. Crafty way to get out of harm there. High cross body.
Heads out of the ring. What's next?
Drop kick hits the mark.
Returning to the ring now. He's setting up the ladder now.
But can he get up there in time? That's the question. You got to wonder what he's thinking here, guys.
I don't know what he is thinking. Trying to sting a victory here.
Hey, you miss 100% of the shots you don't take, right?
Yeah, but when you miss a shot, you don't usually fall 15 feet.
Planted down across the back.
Oh, he's looking to completely render this leg useless. Stump puller leg snap. Very effective.
The damage he's taken is starting to pile up.
He's getting up, but there's danger in front of him.
Byron, what can be the deciding factor when this type of match goes beyond a one-on-one encounter?
Well, climbing up the ladder could be challenging enough, but doing that when several competitors are trying to do the same thing requires a heightened level of awareness.
Superstar needs to be careful since they can fall victim to an ambush from any angle.
That's especially the case in an environment like this, where it's every superstar for themselves. Impressive reversal on Rollins.
Re-enters under the ropes.
Back into the ring. Climbing up, guys. Here we go.
Oh, boy.
Rollins has Roy Watson.
Falcon arrow.
Right in the mouth. Relentless.
Enough already.
Let him have this moment. He's earned it.
Oh, that'll give you whiplash.
You got to wonder what he's thinking here, guys.
I don't know what he is thinking.
It's total miscalculation on that.
Neckbreaker. And the electricity of this moment is coursing through his veins. And up the ladder we go. Big overhand. Drives a foot into the stomach. Good timing with that reversal.
Look at this, Byron. Now taking control. Well, this isn't going to win the fall, but it's going to do a lot of damage.
Oh, spinning through.
Shot right to the ribs.
Just a ruthless streak for the world to see.
He's in a little bit of trouble now.
Yeah, the effects of this ladder match are not going to go away anytime soon. Got the head scissors cinched in, and here come the elbows. Oof.
Climb. Go for it. Climb.
I'm not sure this is necessary, guys. No! God, good God, that does it. That'll do it.
Right on target.
Taking a risk, and boy, did it pay off.
Beginning that all-important climb up the ladder.
Can he unhook it?
It is all or nothing at this point.
Boom, what impact. Oh, strong impact. Ooh. Powerbomb.
Carefully placed stomp to the arm.
That'll break his arm. Vicious. He's starting to struggle here.
Ladder matches are all about high risk for high reward, but right now the pain might not be feeling worth the cost.
Here we go, making that all-important climb up the ladder. I think this is it.
Climbing the ladder to the top.
Oh, no!
Look at the snatch of victory here, guys.
I think it's going to happen.
Look at this. Can he grab it?
Inches away. Grab it. Put those educated fingers to good use.
Shut up, Saxton.
Oh, my goodness.
Rear chin lock, and now just rapid-fire punches. Rollins lining it up.
To the back of the net.
We've seen this win matches for Rollins.
Getting that ladder set up nicely.
Right in the center of the ring, Michael.
Looks like that ladder set up perfectly in the center of the ring.
They've got it. Try and unhook it now.
What is taking so long? Pull it down already.
Yeah, hurry, hurry. Oh, God.
That's one way to use a ladder.
He's setting up the ladder now.
Looks like to me he's got it in the right spot, Michael.
And what a reversal from Seth Rollins.
Hoisted up. Hard landing on the gut. Look at that snatch of victory here, guys.
I think it's going to happen. This opportunity is his for the taking. I like the thought process here, but you're going to have to move a lot faster.
Here we go, making that all-important climb. High risk, high reward. Over the top of the ladder, neck breaker. Now Rollins needs to end this. Looks like that ladder set up perfectly in the center of the ring.
Oh, this could be it, guys.
You got to pull like you've never pulled before. Come on.
They outlasted the opposition, climbed every rung, grabbed the prize, and earned their spot in history with this ladder match victory.